Building a passive income stack to generate $100 a day in 2025 is not just a dream, it's entirely achievable with the right strategies. Let's dive into the steps you can take to make this happen. First, consider starting with digital products. This is a fantastic way to earn $30 to $40 a day. Think about creating items like ChatGPT prompt packs, Canva template bundles, or Notion planners. You can even develop mini courses. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and PayHip make it easy to sell your creations. Use tools like ChatGPT and Canva to design your products and promote them through YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, or your email list. The beauty of digital products is that they require minimal ongoing effort once they're created. Next, let's talk about faceless YouTube automation. This can add another $20 to $30 a day to your income. You can use ChatGPT to generate scripts, Pictory to create videos, and Opus Clip for shorts. Faceless channels can generate ad revenue and affiliate sales without needing to be on camera. Plus, you can repurpose your content across multiple platforms, maximizing your reach and income potential. Now, consider stacking dividend investing into your strategy. Aim for an additional $10 to $20 a day by investing in dividend kings like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola, or monthly dividend stocks like Realty Income or Main Street Capital. ETFs such as SCHD are also great options. Reinvest your dividends to snowball your returns over time. Apps like Robinhood or Webull can help you track your payouts and manage your investments effectively. Don't overlook crypto staking, which can contribute another $5 to $10 a day. You can stake coins like Ethereum, Solana, or Cosmos. Platforms like Lido, Kraken, or even Ledger wallets allow you to earn passive rewards on your holdings, either daily or weekly. This is a great way to leverage your crypto investments for additional income. Lastly, if you want to boost your cash flow, consider doing 1 to 2 gigs on Fiverr each week. This can provide extra income that you can reinvest into your stack, whether it's for dividends, staking, or scaling your content creation efforts. Remember, start with one layer of income and gradually add others. Focus on consistent traffic sources like YouTube, Pinterest, or your email list. Reinvest your earnings to accelerate your growth, and automate delivery wherever possible to save time. This is how I'm building my own $100 a day passive income stack, and with dedication and the right approach, you can do it too.